Hi there, Creative Cutter Room friends. This is Cathie Rigby here. I am doing a video for Cathie Rigby Home, but I'm going to be sharing it on all my sites. Oops, sorry, so this is my back door coming off of my living room. Sorry, everything's a little bit of a mess. I've been trying to set up for the 4th of July season. So I'm leaving all of my prints and things decorated for the 4th of July. And as I've been switching those things out, I decided I just couldn't live with this door anymore. I really don't like how dysfunctional it is. So it has this blinds on the back door. I love the window opening. As you can see, I love that I can look out to my backyard. It had this up here to trim that ugliness up there off, which was nice, but let me show you what the view is like if this isn't in the way, which I much rather prefer. And so I've been trying to decorate my backyard, but I thought before I get going full bore back here on my back patio, you can see that there is a little bit of a privacy issue with the back neighbor. It's not bad. The kids can see each other playing, which is kind of fun. But you know, if we do want some privacy here, it doesn't need to be this big ugly blind situation here. I love the window. I love the light I get from it. The door is not in bad shape, but you know, they've obviously done some holes in the door. This would normally click into here, but you can see they had a pet, so it's been chewed. The bracket on the other side is broken. The door is not the same color as the white trim that they painted, and I repainted this gray to this, you can't probably tell, but it's a yellow. But I happen to have thrifted some beautiful curtains that tie in all of my colors for my kitchen and this little breakfast nook together. And so I have two panels and they're fairly thin, so I'm going to put one panel on the inside here and one panel on the outside, and then I'll cinch it together in the middle. I think that will be sufficient enough privacy. We'll let the light in. I can always pull it back on a tie back if I want to have it completely open like this on a beautiful day like today. These will stay silver because on this side you can see it's beautiful, but because of, I'll post a picture of what it used to look like, but this was an ugly gold, sort of faded, chipped away. So I just grabbed a can of metallic brown spray paint. As you can see, my furniture out here is this darker brown. I'm getting the sun here. And then these are my highlight colors I'm working with. So I already have some beautiful pots, and I'm trying to match basically the decor. The pillows that came with this set have a brown and blue stripe, and the carpet has blue and teal. So I'm just going to do some fun coloring out here that's going to match these pots. The U, that has to match everything in my life because of my husband, but the U thing will probably move. That light is really old, ugly, and outdated. And this door, as you can see, I have some overspray here. I didn't really care because I'm redoing this whole casing. You can see their dog, whoever had it before, their dog made a mess of that. So I'm going to have to replace this. I'm going to try and sand and paint this casing. If not, I may have to remove it, but it looks like they did a good job of gluing it in there. It just, the paint job was very poor. I mean, if you see up here, they barely gave it one coat and called it quits. So this light's gonna go next. The door, sorry, I hope you're not getting motion sickness here. So the door I'm letting dry. I cleaned the glass on this end, but we'll probably respray it. This door will get painted. And then, sorry about this, I do have a light source, an outlet out here. So I'm going to put this shelf, again, that I thrifted, probably up high enough that my grandkids won't jump at it. Put some decorative things on top, maybe hang a towel or two, or maybe even hot pads, because we do have an outdoor grill. I don't know, something fun, maybe some candles on a string kind of a thing, but this will be hung out here. I just need my husband's help because I don't want to damage the stucco. So I want to make sure it gets done right. And I'm calling him in for assistance. So I'll get that shelf in, but the outlet is there. So what I thought might be nice is to have a cute little lamp out here too, or radio, or whatever I might need that can be plugged in. This will keep it up and out of the way, and then I can bring it inside as needed. So those are some of the things I'm thinking about. We'll show you more progress as I get there. For now, I'm going to be cleaning and removing things. So stay tuned for another episode of how I try and make my house a home. Thanks for stopping by today. Bye-bye.